Bihar APO aspirants, as you know that your examination is scheduled to be held on 12th of November. So you do not have much time to prepare for the examination, and almost you have got 35 to 40 days right now in your hand. So we are running a test series from 7th of October, and you will be administered every day one subject test, and you will be taking the test, and we will be evaluating your answer, and we will be providing the recommendations thereof. And by doing so, you will be improving upon your writing skills. And if you want to join our test series, then you can just click on the link provided right below the video. And I have already provided the video describing the syllabus of the examination. So as you see, the syllabus is not much, and you can do it within a span of 30 days. So no problem, you will be completing the whole syllabus within a span of 1 month. We will be providing all the previous year questions, and if you are able to solve them with precision, then I am damn sure then you will be excelling in the examination. Okay.